Hey everybody, Tim Bartz, Ford Video Guy here with another video. I like to do a video every week on a Sunday for you. Last week, not sure what was going on. There's a lot going on last week and I wasn't able to do a video for you guys. We are back from Supercell and I do have some footage of some of the, we took two different drives at Supercell that I want to highlight in this video. We did a drive to Bays Mountain off-road. So we went off-road. Barb got a chance to spend a good amount of time in the driver's seat, driving the Bronco off-road. She really is enjoying that now. And so we did get some, now most of the footage from that, as well as we did a drive to, as well, the Foothills Parkway, and that was beautiful drive. And so all the footage on that came from this camera setup that we have, the dash cam up here, as well as this, and knew with the dash cam how the footage went. Some of it was cut off. It would go from being red, meaning it was recording, to a yellow, which said emergency recording, which I thought, well, it's still recording, right? And I don't think we got a lot of footage, 100% footage. So you'll see a few shots from those two drives at the end of this video. But I also want to highlight some of the things for future videos that you can expect from us coming up. I got a couple ideas for the Bronco. I thought I was pretty much done, but we did do some. Now, you notice the last video we did, we talked about IAG, adding the 5-lamp light up here. Love this. It's really cool. You guys hopefully saw a chance to see that video. If not, at the end of this video, it'll be one of your recommended videos, as well as the easy pull in the back. And you know what? IAG watched that video that I did on that and noticed that the struts were like, in that video, you'll see they kind of went up slowly and they weren't going up well. They're sending me new struts. And they do this for any customer, not just me, not just because I'm a YouTuber or anything. They do this for any customer. If you're having issues with any of their parts not working quite right, call them. They'll replace it. They'll send you a new set. So they're sending me a new set of those struts. So we'll probably be reinstalling and doing a video on that to just kind of show how awesome of a company the IAG is. So that's pretty cool. We're also going to be doing something with this here. So I got a different idea for the front as a trail cam. So we know, as I mentioned in the video we did on this, it's a great dash cam and I love it. Not gonna get rid of it. It's staying there. I'm gonna move this to the back and I have a different idea for trail cam up here. I don't want to give it away right now, but I got a different idea and most of you can use to do the same thing as well. A lot of you already have available what I'm going to show you. So we're going to see if that'll work, and so we'll do that in a recommended video. That'll be a video probably coming up, maybe even next week as well when we do that. Now, also, this skid plate down here. If you've watched my video on the ARB skid plate, full underbody protection. I love the skid plate. I love the protection it gives to the Bronco. Got a couple scratch marks under there, so I know it's working. But this front dash plate, I've never really liked the look of it when it was on the other bumper. It looks better on this bumper, the heavy-duty modular front bumper, but it still doesn't quite go right. I'd like it to be black. I thought about just taking that off, powder coating it black. But there's still a gap. You can still see the bolts things above it. There's still that gap. So I got a couple ideas. We'll run that past in a future video, but expect that as well. And Mountains to Metal has the attic storage unit that I fell in love with at Supercell. I kept going by their booth and checking it out. And once I raise up enough money, I get enough money for that, then we're going to buy one of those and install it. And it should be able to be installed. It does say on their website, has to be a 2021.5, which means job 2 of 21, because it needs the holes on the roll bar. I looked at mine. Mine's an early 21, but it's got the holes for the roll bar. So I think it'll work. I'm going to contact the sales rep that I talked to at Supercell and make sure it'll work with my Bronco. But that is something else that I'm really excited about, because I think I got some traction boards that I think I can mount up underneath that, which might be a place to put those, as well as putting my air up and air down hoses and stuff in my toolkit on top of that as well, and off the floor. And if I can get everything out of the floor other than the cooler, I'm getting more and more space for other things in the back of my Bronco. So I'm really excited about that as well. So a couple things to be looking forward to. Also, something else that's now we have up and running is my website. So FordVideoGuyMedia.com, have it on the screen right there. You can go to that website, and that has everything that I've been doing, all the different videos and projects. A full list of the build to the Bronco is on that website on a page. So check out that page. as well as the information on all the different things we've added to the Bronco. So there's 2 separate pages, as well as to my Maverick, which is actually sitting right beside this, and the Maverick as well. I've done a few things to the 2023 Maverick Tremor over here, but I'm selling it. I'm selling it. I need to make room. That's money that I can put towards this for trips or just for parts, right? So if I can get rid of that, that's an extra a budget that I can open up to put things to the Bronco or even go on more and more trips. So we're selling the Maverick. So if you're interested in that, check out the Maverick Monday video that we're doing tomorrow night. Well, probably actually when you see this, it was probably already published. Anyway, so check that out. But you can go to the website. I have the build on it as well, right there on the website, as well as to our podcast, our YouTube channel, these videos, right there in one place, FordVideoGuyMedia.com. So there we go. We have that up and running. I think that's it. No more. We're going to get you guys back into the footage from Bays Mountain Off-Road, and Jack joined us. He's one of the followers of the channel, one of the members of the Long MacArthur channel, and good friend from Florida. He rode along with his wife on the trail behind us. So check out the footage from Bays Mountain, as well as behind that, any of the footage that I could get. Maybe it'd be in time lapse of the Foothills Drive, which is really beautiful, windy roads. Yeah, we had a lot of fun on that too. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and be looking for some good future videos, I think, for the channel. So hopefully you check it out and make sure you subscribe, notification bell is turned on, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Stay positive, be kind to one another, but also be kind to yourself, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.